What's up? Yeah, we can. Yeah, we can.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. We won't be able to get in it. Just that building right there, that one right in front of us.
This one?
Yep.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go. Go. I just don't want to get shot.
Yeah. It's really hard to see right now.
I think someone's right there.
Yeah.
I think. Hey, where's he at? I don't know.
There's a bump. Hit!
Where they at?
Did you? Oh, I'll call it. I didn't feel it. I didn't hear a gun go off and I didn't hear
You're good, bud. You're good.
Alright.
I'm not sure. Do we know if they're over there?
Where do you want this junior at?
Ready?
Where do you want this junior at?
I got one too.
Where do you want it at?
Here, keep Kyle. Keep going. Ready? 1, 2, 3, keep. Go! Nick! You okay? Get in there, get in there. Go, go, go. Ready?
Yeah.
I don't want to go over your hand. Alright, you ready? Throw it as soon as you can do it. 1, 2, 3. Get a grenade.
Yeah. Hit! I'm out. Hit! Always.
Yo, you went right to the outside. Ready? Watch out. There's a buddy on the back of the truck.